Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the fascinating world of health and wellness. Today, we're exploring a spice that's been treasured for thousands of years, not just for its warm, inviting flavor, but for its incredible health benefits. That's right, we're talking about cinnamon. This humble spice, found in kitchens worldwide, is more than just a topping for your morning oatmeal or a cozy addition to your chai latte. From ancient Egypt to modern science labs, cinnamon has been celebrated for its potential to transform your health. So buckle up as we uncover the science-backed benefits, surprising uses, and some cautious notes about this aromatic powerhouse. Let's dive in and discover why cinnamon might just be nature's secret weapon for a healthier you. Let's start with the basics. Cinnamon is a spice derived from the inner bark of trees belonging to the cinnamomum family, native to regions like Sri Lanka, Southeast Asia, and South America. The bark is carefully peeled, dried, and curled into those familiar cinnamon sticks or ground into the fine powder we sprinkle on desserts and drinks. There are two main types: Ceylon cinnamon, often called true cinnamon, and cassia cinnamon, the more common variety found in supermarkets. Each has a distinct flavor and chemical makeup, which we'll explore later. Historically, cinnamon was so valuable it was considered a gift fit for kings. Today, it's affordable, widely available, and packed with compounds like cinnamaldehyde, which scientists believe is responsible for many of its health benefits. Intrigued? Let's see what this spice can do for your body. First up, let's talk about cinnamon's role as an antioxidant superhero. Antioxidants are compounds that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can lead to chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Cinnamon is loaded with polyphenol antioxidants, which are so potent that a study comparing 26 spices found cinnamon to be one of the top 3, only outranked by cloves and oregano. These antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress, a process linked to aging and illness. Imagine your body as a fortress under attack by free radicals. Cinnamon swoops in like a shield, neutralizing those harmful molecules. A 2020 study even showed that cinnamon supplementation increased antioxidant levels in the blood while lowering inflammation markers like C-reactive protein. This means cinnamon isn't just a tasty spice, it's a protector of your cellular health. Speaking of inflammation, cinnamon's anti-inflammatory properties are another reason to love it. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can wreak havoc, contributing to conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and even Alzheimer's. Cinnamon's bioactive compounds, like cinnamaldehyde and flavonoids, work to calm this internal fire. In a small study of 36 people with rheumatoid arthritis, those who took 2 grams of cinnamon daily for 8 weeks saw significant reductions in inflammatory markers and joint pain. Picture this: a spice that not only flavors your food, but also soothes your body from the inside out. While more research is needed, these findings suggest cinnamon could be a natural ally in managing inflammation-related conditions. Isn't it amazing how something so simple can be so powerful? Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, literally. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide, but cinnamon might help keep your ticker in top shape. Research shows that consuming at least 1 gram of cinnamon daily, about half a teaspoon, can lower cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood pressure, all key risk factors for heart disease. One review found that cinnamon supplementation reduced total cholesterol and LDL, the bad cholesterol, while boosting HDL, the good cholesterol. Its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds work together to relax blood vessels and improve circulation. A small study even showed that 1.5 grams of cinnamon daily for 3 months significantly lowered systolic blood pressure in people with hypertension. So, by adding a sprinkle of cinnamon to your diet, you're not just enhancing flavor, you're giving your heart a little extra love. If you or someone you know is dealing with diabetes or prediabetes, cinnamon might be a game changer. This spice has shown promise in regulating blood sugar levels, a critical factor in managing these conditions. Cinnamon appears to mimic insulin, helping cells absorb glucose more effectively, and it may increase insulin sensitivity, making your body's natural processes more efficient. A 2024 meta-analysis of 24 studies found that cinnamon supplementation lowered fasting blood sugar levels, suggesting it could be a helpful add-on therapy for type 2 diabetes. In one study, people with prediabetes who took 1.5 grams of cinnamon daily for 12 weeks saw improvements in fasting glucose and glucose tolerance. However, results are mixed, and the American Diabetes Association doesn't yet recommend cinnamon as a primary treatment. Still, isn't it exciting to think a spice could support such a critical aspect of health? Could cinnamon help you shed a few pounds? The science says it might. Cinnamon may boost metabolism by supporting thermoregulation, the process your body uses to generate heat and burn calories. A review of studies found that taking cinnamon for 12 weeks or more led to reductions in body weight, fat mass, waist circumference, and BMI. While it's not a magic bullet for weight loss, cinnamon's ability to regulate blood sugar can also prevent those energy crashes that lead to cravings. Imagine enjoying a cinnamon-infused smoothie that not only tastes delicious, but also helps you stay on track with your health goals. The key is consistency. Sprinkling a little cinnamon daily could add up to big results over time. Who knew a spice could be such a subtle yet effective weight loss ally? Let's move on to your gut. Cinnamon has been used for centuries as a digestive aid, and modern science is starting to back this up. Compounds in cinnamon, like capsaicin, can speed up digestion, while others slow the breakdown of carbs in your gut, preventing blood sugar spikes after meals. This dual action makes cinnamon a potential helper for conditions like irritable bowel syndrome or bloating. Anecdotal evidence suggests that consuming cinnamon before or with a meal can ease digestive discomfort. Plus, cinnamon's prebiotic properties may promote a healthy gut microbiome, fostering the growth of beneficial bacteria. Picture this: a warm cup of cinnamon tea soothing your stomach while supporting your overall digestive health. It's like a gentle hug for your insides. Here's where things get really exciting: cinnamon's potential to fight infections. Its antimicrobial properties, driven by cinnamaldehyde, have been shown to combat bacteria like Salmonella and Listeria, which can cause foodborne illnesses. Lab studies also suggest cinnamon can tackle fungi responsible for respiratory infections like pneumonia. In fact, cinnamon's natural preservative qualities come from its ability to inhibit microbial growth, which is why it's been used for centuries to keep food fresh. While we need more human studies to confirm these effects, the idea that a spice in your pantry could double as a natural infection fighter is pretty thrilling. Could cinnamon be the unsung hero in your kitchen's battle against germs? Cinnamon's benefits don't stop at internal health. It might even give your skin a glow and your brain a boost. Some studies suggest that when applied topically, cinnamon could enhance collagen production, improving skin elasticity and hydration. This could mean fewer wrinkles and a more youthful appearance. Meanwhile, early research, mostly in animals, hints that cinnamon might protect against Alzheimer's by inhibiting protein buildup in the brain. A lab study showed that cinnamon extracts improved cognitive function in mice, raising hopes for human applications. Imagine a spice that not only keeps you healthy, but also helps you look and think your best. While these findings are preliminary, they add to cinnamon's growing list of potential perks. Let's talk about one of the most delightful ways to enjoy cinnamon: cinnamon tea. This warm, spicy beverage is made by steeping cinnamon sticks or powder in hot water, and it's packed with health benefits. Studies suggest that cinnamon tea can lower blood sugar, reduce menstrual pain, and even ease cold symptoms. One study found that drinking 3 to 6 grams of cinnamon daily for 40 days significantly reduced blood sugar in people with diabetes. Another study showed that cinnamon tea reduced period pain in teenage girls. Plus, its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds make it a soothing choice for colds or flu. Brewing a cup is simple. Steep a cinnamon stick in hot water for 10 minutes or mix half a teaspoon of powder into your tea. It's a delicious way to harness cinnamon's magic. Before you start sprinkling cinnamon on everything, let's talk safety. While cinnamon is generally safe in small amounts, think half a teaspoon daily, there are some cautions to keep in mind. Cassia cinnamon, the most common type, contains coumarin, a compound that can harm the liver in large doses, especially for those with liver disease. Ceylon cinnamon with lower coumarin levels is a safer bet for regular use. High doses of cinnamon can also cause gastrointestinal issues or allergic reactions in some people. If you're on diabetes medications, be cautious, as cinnamon might lower blood sugar too much, leading to hypoglycemia. Pregnant women and those on blood thinners should consult a doctor before using cinnamon supplements. The key is moderation. Stick to recommended amounts to enjoy the benefits safely. Ready to bring cinnamon into your daily routine? It's easier than you think. Sprinkle a pinch on your morning oatmeal, blend it into smoothies, or stir it into coffee or tea for a cozy boost. You can also add cinnamon to savory dishes like curries or stews for a warm, complex flavor. For a health-focused approach, try cinnamon tea or even a cinnamon honey mix, a traditional remedy for colds and inflammation. If you prefer supplements, look for Ceylon cinnamon capsules, but always check with a healthcare provider first. The beauty of cinnamon is its versatility. It's a simple way to elevate both your meals and your health. What's your favorite way to enjoy this spice? Let us know in the comments. Wow, what a journey through the world of cinnamon. From its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory powers to its potential to support heart health, blood sugar control, and even weight loss, this spice is a true multitasker. Whether you're sipping cinnamon tea, sprinkling it on your breakfast, or exploring its topical benefits, cinnamon offers a natural, accessible way to boost your wellness. But remember, moderation is key, and choosing the right type, like Ceylon cinnamon, can make all the difference. We hope this deep dive has inspired you to rethink this pantry staple and harness its incredible potential. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more health insights. Drop a comment below, tell us how you use cinnamon or what you want us to explore next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.